Hello everyone, today in this video I am sharing about channels in Teams. In previous video we learned to create teams and add member within Teams. In this video I will show you how to create channels. As we have created grade wise teams, it would be better to add subject inside that team. Here you can see grade 11. Beside that you can see more option. You can click more option and add channel. Here add channel. In this option you can add channel name. I will use English. Here you can describe your channel too. In privacy option you can see standard and private. If you are giving access to every students or users within this team, you can use standard, and if you are adding few students in this subject, means you can use private option, so that you can add the students who are reading this subject only. That would be better. Here I am creating standard accessible to everyone on the team. Automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. You need to tick this. Therefore users can get this channel in their Teams app and add. Sorry, another channel already exists. You can English 1 or anything you can use to rename. Here you can see two channels now, main, general, and below that you can see English. By this way we can add another channel for another subject. Let's create new channel with name physics and make it private, so that we can add students or users from physics group only. Next, in this option you can add students and teachers. Suppose only 3 students, demo 1, demo 2, demo 3 are in this subject, are reading this subject, means you can add 3 students and assign 1 teacher for them. You can add teacher 1 and done. By this way we can create channels in Teams. This first channel which we create as English 1 will be accessible to all the members of this team, but physics channel named physics will be accessible for 3 students and 1 teacher we have added. By this way we can add channels in Teams, especially for online learning purpose. Okay, thanks for watching and keep on watching for more upcoming videos. Thank you.